Real quick, guys, okay? If you are looking for a new construction home, but you don't want to wait, I have some available right now that will be ready in September. And the kicker is they're also 3.9% interest rates, okay? What's going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante, here as always. And today we are in Sanford, Florida, guys. So check this out, right? I know a lot of you guys are looking for new construction, but do not want to wait for your home to be built. So I've solved your problem. Right now, I have two that are currently available and will be ready to go in September. Okay, guys, 4-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, 1,800 square foot plus home right here, ready to go. Okay, guys, so we're not even gonna play around with it. Take a look at what we're looking at today, and you know what to do. Contact right down here below to reach out. All right, let's do it. you have it, guys. As you guys know, here's my contact information right here, okay? At the time of this recording, these homes are available, so definitely reach out as soon as possible so we can get you in these homes. Any questions that you guys have, reach out. Once again, you can DM me, you can call me, you can text me, you can comment so we can get you into this home, okay? And I want you guys to always remember one thing in real estate. There are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon.